Because of modern life, we want even more convenience, but it doesn't always equal health and life quality. One of these situations, and one that is very common, is our eating habits. Ultra-processed foods are more and more common on our shelves, and even seasonings aren't safe from being industrialized. Did you know that most of these seasonings have substances that are harmful to our health? It is common to see industrialized seasonings that have excessive fats and sodium. Both things can cause many different health issues, such as heart diseases and obesity. Did you know that the excessive consumption of sodium is mainly responsible for the increased risk of hypertension and heart disease? Just in the USA, health authorities estimate that around 1,300 people die daily from hypertension. But you don't need to eat unseasoned and bland foods because of that. A way of preventing these issues and taking care of your health is using natural, homemade seasonings. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Some ingredients with good benefits are: onion. Has known antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-asthmatic properties, and is considered a powerful antimicrobial. Onions are used as a medicine to stimulate kidney function, control glycemia, improve blood circulation, and strengthen the immune system. Garlic helps improve immunity, prevents flu and colds, reduces blood pressure, and improves heart health. Garlic also has amazing powers for skin health. Turmeric, an amazing anti-inflammatory. Many scientific studies show turmeric's therapeutic powers to treat pains, arthritis, and arthrosis, even when compared to traditional anti-inflammatories sold at drugstores. Black pepper potentializes the benefits of turmeric and enhances its absorption in our body. Some of the benefits of lemon are: improves digestion, boosts immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties, and many other benefits that you can learn about in the suggested video. Isn't it interesting? Do you want to learn how to make this homemade seasoning? Write down the ingredients: 2 white onions, 8 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons turmeric, black pepper to taste, 1 bell pepper, red or green, parsley and scallion to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 2 lemons. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until it becomes a paste. Store in an airtight container. This seasoning can be kept in the fridge for 5 days or in the freezer for up to 30 days. Super easy to make, isn't it? This natural seasoning will make your meals even tastier, and little by little you will see that this is the best choice for your health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.